Welcome to Techno Analyst. Today we will see what is Portfolio PDF. So first we have to understand what is Portfolio PDF. So Portfolio PDF is nothing but a collection of the files that are assembled into a single PDF file. So actually this file contain multiple PDF file and it is consolidated into a single document. So we can extract this PDF file through multiple tools or applications. So we will first see FILEWISE extraction. So with the help of Adobe Reader, you can extract this file. So in the FILEWISE extraction, with the help of Adobe Reader, you can extract this file. But the catch is that you have to individually select a file and you have to click on that and you have to right click on that and you have to click on extract from portfolio. So in this way you can extract one by one. So this is very time consuming process. But with the help of Adobe Reader, you can do this. And another way you can do this through a third party application, which is uh, application called Bit Recover. With this help, you can extract a portfolio PDF file in folder wise. So here you have to, in Adobe Reader, you have to select a one by one PDF file, but in Bit Recover application, you can select a folder and you can extract into portfolio PDF. So let's start. So now we will check in Adobe Acrobat. So before I will start that how you can find out the file is a portfolio file. So if you receive some PDF and if you try to open it, the moment you start to open it, you can see the message like this: for the best experience, open this PDF portfolio in Acrobat X, Adobe Acrobat X or later. So you required first of all Adobe Acrobat DC Pro application. You have to purchase it to open this PDF portfolio file. So what we will do, we will open this file in Adobe Acrobat. Click on File, click on Open, click on Sample PDF, click on see. Here I can see 3 PDF files, and here I can see only one PDF file. So in this one PDF file, it contains 3 more PDF file. So if I want to explain in the simple way, in this one particular document we can see 3 PDF file. But if we can directly open it from PDF reader, it will show a message like this: PDF portfolio. It will unable to open. We cannot see 3 PDF file. So we have to open this file in Adobe PDF DC application. So in this way you can open it. Just open. See, now if I right click on this, I will get an option extract from portfolio. So in this way you can extract this PDF file, or you can say you can extract this portfolio PDF file into normal PDF. So I will give file number 1. This is my file number 2. And this is my file number 3. Now I will check one by one this file. Let's minimize this and see, this is file. You have to first time you have to select Adobe Acrobat, click on OK. See, this file is open. For some for security purpose, I will hide this information. So please understand. Now I will open second. Now we will open second file number 2. I will open this file number 2. See, it is open. Now I will open file number 3. See, this is open. So in this way you can open portfolio PDF file using Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. But this is a very time consuming process. We have to select one file at each time. So how it's supposed we have bunch of folders and we have to extract from a bunch of folder into PDF file, normal PDF file. So in this way what we have to do, because this is a very time consuming process to extract one by one each file. So let's see folder wise extraction of portfolio PDF files. For that there is one application called BitRecover PDF. With the help of this application we can choose folder wise extraction. So we are going to install this application. Please install this install this application on your own risk, because I'm not aware about if it will maybe contain any malware or anything kind of soft thing. So you have to purchase this. So this is how BitRecover PDF portfolio extractors look like. But you have to purchase this application. For trial version link I will upload in my which is available in description link. So this is how the bit recovery PDF portfolio extractor application look like. This is sample PDF 2. Both folder contain portfolio PDF files. So click on next. Here it will ask to us to here it will prompt us to select file. So we have to select file. Sorry. Here it will ask us to select folder. So we can directly select a folder. So here you will get option like select file or select folder. If you want to select file, then you have to click over here. If you want to select file, then you have to click over here, and you have to click over here. Then you have to select the file like this. Just click on select file, select a folder, and select which file you want to open. And if you want to select a folder, just click on select folder and select any folder which you want to extract. Click on extract. See, you can see this we select folder. In this folder contain one file, so it is showing a one file to extract it. So you have to just select it and you have to extract it. So it will destination path, it will automatically created like this with the date and everything. So just click on extract. Okay, now I will go to this folder. I will check. I will double click on it. See, 3 files is extracted. 1 2 3, and Yes, it is working fine. You can see their size is different. All three files is extracted. So in this way you can extract portfolio PDF file using BitRecover PDF portfolio extractor application. Let's see one more example. Let me create one folder. Let's see one more example of right now. What I will do, in one folder I create another subfolder. In that subfolder you will get this portfolio PDF file. See, like this. Let me delete this for you. Now just click on next, select folder, this PDF, click on next. See, it will showing a subfolder data also like this. So we have to select the PDF files, or you can directly select whole PDF. You can select as per your convenience. If you want to select particular folder, you can select like this. If you want to select all, then you can select like this. Click on next, extract. See, now we will get this folder, test PDF. Here we get two subfolder as it is. See, three files over here, and so we will check now. See, three files is extracted. Here also we will see three files. So in this way you can extract file with using BitRecover PDF portfolio extractor. Please, so that's it from this video. Please subscribe to Analyst-RD. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to TEchno Analyst.